Question number 7. One of my favorites. Actually, my favorite question in this section. A department store advertised that a certain merchandise was reduced by 25%. Also, an additional 10% discount card will be given to the first 200 people who entered the store on a specific day. The advertisement then stated that this amounted to a 35% reduction in the price of an item. Is the advertiser being honest if the original price is $60? Okay. Suppose you are one of the first 200 people to enter the store on this day. You will receive an additional 10% discount card. The item has already been reduced by 25%. So that applies to everybody. It says with those two together, it equals 35%. Let's see if that's the case. We're going to do this two ways, and we're going to see the two ways work out. Now, if the two ways equal each other, as we've seen before, then this is valid. But if it doesn't, that means the advertisement is being dishonest. Way number 1, the easier way. 35% off. Define 35% off. Number 1, what is 35% of $60? Pretty simple to find. Define 35% of $60. We're going to multiply. But first, write your 35% as a decimal. 0.35 times $60. When we multiply that, that's going to equal to $21. $21 off. So having 35% off is equal to $21 off this price. Way number 2, well, not way number 2, but the second step is the total amount. We're not talking about no tax in this case, not yet. Or in this question, not at all. Discounted amount. To find your discounted amount, write that a little bit better, since you guys might be reading this, we're going to subtract the $21 from $60. So $60 minus $21, that equals to $39. So if the item is really 35% off, it should cost $39. Now, let's look at way number 2. Way number 2 focuses more on the specific discounts. It says the item was already reduced by 25%. And then you're adding an additional 10% if you're one of the first 200. But remember, the item was already reduced by 25%. So if the item is $60, that is 25% off. So, number 1, what is 25% off? To answer that question, we need to find 25% of $60, which is going to be 0.25 times 60. Let's keep it consistent. When we multiply that, that's going to equal to 15. $15 off. $15 off the original price. So that's going to be discount amount. We're going to call this discount amount number 1. $60 minus $15 equals to $45. That's with the first discount. So it should cost $45 regardless if you even use the discount card. Now, if you're given a discount card, that's an additional 10% off. but that's 10% off the discounted price. So what is 10% of the discount price? Of $45. And to find that, we need to find what is 10% of $45. 10%, 0.1 or 0.10. So 0.10 times $45. And that's going to equal to, when you calculate it, $4.50 off. Applied discount number 2. Discount amount number 2. $4.50 off of discount amount number 1. So $45 minus $4.50. And that's going to equal to $40.50. And that is the final amount using way number 2. These are not the same prices. That means the advertisement was not being honest. To answer the question, is the advertiser being honest if the original price is $60? No. Advertiser is not honest. I should say is not honest. So that leaves just one more question. Which way is the correct way of doing this? The answer is way number 2 is the correct way that discounts work on top of each other. Usually most stores, if you have 2 discounts applied, they will take the larger discount first, apply it to the original price, and then apply the second discount to the reduced price. They don't combine the percentage together and then take it off the total price, because you will lose, or rather, the store will lose more money if they add it together and then subtract it from the original price. You see, if they add the percents together to give you 35%, you get $39. If you do each discount separately, one after another, you get $40.50. In this case, if the store adds the 2 together, the store loses $1.50. But if they do it separately, the store saves $1.50. Or rather, they get $1.50 more from you. That's why they do it way number 2. So keep that in mind. If you ever have 2 discounts, it's one on top of the other. Don't add them together and then apply it at the same time. With that said, guys, take care.